Okay. Places, everyone. Cue the Panasonic Disc Manufacturing Corporation logo. Excuse me, Panasonic Disc Manufacturing Corporation logo. You are not supposed to be in black and white. Besides, this logo is not from 1950s. It's supposed to be from 2003. Not 1950s, no no no. Okay, try it again from the top. Cue the Panasonic Disc Manufacturing Corporation logo. No, that's not right either. You are not supposed to be blue. You are supposed to be in regular colors. Try again from the top. Cue the logo. Why were you spinning? That's not right either. You're not supposed to be like that. You are supposed to be straight, okay? This is your last chance. If you screw up again, you're fired. Now go. Yes. We got the logo right.